This is the Mavic Mini 2. I crashed it and I broke this motor here. The right rear arm, as you can see, chipped the propeller on the front. Scratches. This one, these propellers are okay. Everything is okay except for this broken motor. So I gotta change the whole thing here. The camera is okay. It's okay. Everything is okay. For now, I'm gonna open it and take this one out. It's my first time to repair a drone. I used to repair cell phones, iPhones, but not a drone. This is the first time I'm doing it. So let's see, how am I gonna do it? I watched some online already. Said there's 3-4 screws that you have to take out. There's 2 in the front and 2 at the back here to take out the top shell, which is this one. So let's do it. There you go, guys, it's open, and this is the one with the 3 wires on it. You got red, white and black. Got 3 wires, the red, black and the white. crashed my Mavic Mini again, the second time. I just repaired it yesterday. I changed the this one here, the rear arm, to a brand new one, and then I flew it, and I was trying to do a reverse orientation bit. I saw a tree, and I wanted to reverse it inside between those branches where I see a small hole, so I tried to go through that, and it hit the small branches, and it went down. Damages would be here, the propeller. That's it. That's the only damage I got on it. The rest are okay. Arms are okay. Gimbal camera is okay. Body's okay. That's good. So I'm just, all I have to do is change this propeller here, this tour propeller, and I'll fly it again. I love this thing. I really love this thing. I think I'm just gonna keep crashing it and fixing it. It's really a tough drone for its size. But I love it. I love flying this. I've always fly this all the time. I flew this more than the Mavic Air 2 and the DJI Air 2S. Always have this. Always fly this thing.